Lisa Marie Presley died earlier this year from a bowel obstruction caused by previous weight loss surgery, it has been revealed. The autopsy report shone new light on a chronic Presley problem Elvis' daughter suffered, which went back to childhood for her, according to an expert. In the years and months leading up to her death, Lisa Marie had been suffering a number of health issues similar to her father's. Her health woes included heart issues, long-lasting fevers, nausea, abdominal pain, and vomiting, according to the autopsy. The report also showed that Lisa Marie had experienced abdominal pain the morning of her death and was taken to hospital after being found unconscious at home. Elvis Presley's granddaughter Riley Keough opens up about health woes during her stay in the emergency department. The King of Rock and Roll's only daughter suffered heart issues and had to have a temporary pacemaker installed, before going into cardiac arrest. Elvis historian Sally Hodel has spoken out on the conditions of Lisa Marie's death, pointing out her chronic Presley problem and drawing resemblances to the musician's death. Hodel said, the obstruction itself was caused by scar tissue from a gastric bypass surgery that was performed years ago. At face value, that has little correlation to how her famous father died. The obstruction compromised blood supply, which leads to tissue damage and then infection and then organ failure, which can result in death, as it did in this case. The historian, who is a lifelong Elvis fan, added to the U.S. Sun, intestinal obstruction risk is increased after surgery, as it was in this case, but also when inflammatory bowel disease, IBS, and chronic constipation are present. Don't miss Elvis' fiancée on heartbreaking final conversation and intimate private moments. Insight, Elvis 68 comeback special director on how King overcame Colonel's sabotage. Exclusive, Elvis ex Linda Thompson pays tribute to King as she returns to Graceland. Tribute, Lisa Marie suffered from digestive/bowel disorder her entire life. She referred to it as a chronic Presley problem and stated that it went back to childhood for her. Elvis died on August 16, 1977, at the age of 42 with official cause of death listed as a heart attack, but the A Little Less Conversation singer too had suffered from a number of other health issues. Hodel said, Elvis Presley also suffered from a lifelong bowel disorder and lifelong chronic constipation. Although some of the medication he was taking would have further slowed his digestive system, it did not initially cause the problem. There is testimony to it being a problem for Elvis as a toddler and a teen, long before fame and prescription medication. This was also true for Lisa Marie, as her own testimony attests to it being known since childhood.